Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you change your phone sleep time in your Xiaomi phone. Means guys, you want to change your screen timeout in your Xiaomi phone, so as you can change. And guys, now let's see how to change. Means guys, you want to increase your screen timeout, so as you can increase it. So guys, now let's see. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to increase your screen timeout. And guys, scroll and guys, you can see your display and lock screen settings. So guys, tap here. And guys, you can see your sleep time. So guys, tap here. So as you can increase from here, so you can see guys this 30 second, 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute and 10 minutes. So if you take I like this 1 minute, so as your phone screen is on, so after guys now it's time you 10:05, so at 10:06 guys your phone screen will off automatic. So as you can customize yourself guys, I can say. So guys again we will come here, and guys you want guys in 5 minutes, so guys click on this 5 minute. So guys your phone screen is off, and then you will on it. So as time is now 10:05, so as now 10:10 and then 10:11, then guys your phone screen will off automatic. So guys you can customize yourself your screen timeout, and guys you can increase your screen timeout like that. So I hope friends you have understood how to customize and guys how to increase the screen timeout in a Xiaomi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.